Nexo, the next Revolut in the crypto area? From the development of artificial intelligence to seamless data programming and efficient information dissemination, the 21st century has seen a lot of rapid technological advancement. Hello everyone, welcome to CryptoFlix YouTube channel. In this video, we will be looking at a cryptocurrency platform called Nexo, letting you in on the secrets that make this platform the next big thing in the crypto area, and probably likened to Revolut in the financial space. So, sit back and relax as we unveil a crypto platform that has changed the way we see the world of cryptocurrency. The banking industry in particular has undergone a massive transformation, from the old piggy bank to a modern traditional bank, and now to digital banking provided by Fintech banks. This phenomenal growth is due not only to natural causes, but also to the effort and resources put forth by entities or companies that share the vision that financial services are the backbone of our society. To begin, Revolut, a British financial company that also serves as an alternative digital traditional bank, was founded in 2015 by Nikolay Storonsky and Vlad Yatsenko, and provides currency exchange, debit cards, virtual cards, and other related services. Revolut has consistently outperformed in the financial sector, assisting people in managing and building wealth, with its main goal being to make financial services accessible to as many individuals and businesses as possible by providing everyone with frictionless financial products. To that end, Revolut has made significant investments in developing a borderless, customer-centric platform that feels personal to everyone and serves as their trusted companion for managing and growing their money. This is a fantastic achievement in the financial sector for everyone. However, the foundation of Nexo, a popular cryptocurrency lending platform, could be another Revolut, but this time in the cryptocurrency world. Anthony Trenchev, Kostas Kantchev, and Kayla Medvedev founded Nexo, a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform, in 2018. Nexo manages assets for over 5 million users in over 40 fiat currencies, with its headquarters in London and coverage of over 200 jurisdictions. Nexo is not entirely a decentralized platform, but it does use protocols and the blockchain to conduct transactions. The company has over 1 million users and assets worth $4 billion. All these have got us wanting to know what the benefits of this platform are. Nexo is widely regarded as the first cryptocurrency lending platform to offer crypto-backed loans. With it, customers can easily obtain a loan in the form of a fiat deposit into their account. This is a simple step that requires collateral, which is the cryptocurrency deposit made by customers into their Nexo wallet. If the value of the collateral assets decreases, the customer will be notified to add more collateral. Nexo's unique selling point is not only its borrow-lend service, but also its competitive interest rates. Customers can earn rewards on all of their assets by being offered up to a 12% interest rate. The interest rates for altcoins range from 6% to 10% for stablecoins, and 12% for Nexo token. Nexo provides its customers with instant cash loans ranging from $10 to $2 million via crypto lending. It allows users to lend Bitcoin, stablecoins, or cash for free, and the service provides numerous repayment options without requiring a credit check, making it accessible to cryptocurrency owners. Furthermore, Nexo token, Nexo card, buy crypto, exchange crypto, earn interest, borrow funds, and Nexo Booster are just a few of the products available on this amazing platform. Anyone can open an account on Nexo and fund it with cash, fiat currency, or cryptocurrencies in a matter of minutes. The user can begin a transaction after providing some personal information in response to a few questions and confirming their account. The platform is especially easy to use and has an intuitive structure for new users who are unfamiliar with trading platforms or cryptocurrency transfers. Individuals can instantly view their holdings, available credit, or whatever they have borrowed with a few clicks. Also, it provides two-factor authentication to customers in order to prevent security breaches and maximize investment protection. When an account is opened and funded with fiat cash or cryptocurrency, Nexo will automatically calculate the interest earned each day. This will be deposited into the customer's account right away. Nexo also notifies users via an in-app alert when their interest has been deposited and how much interest they have earned. With this, Nexo users are not required to wait a full month before taking advantage of the compound interest on their cash or cryptocurrency. Moving on. What products do they offer? Nexo has successfully established what we could call the future of cryptocurrency with excellent products and a good structure. The Nexo token is Nexo's native token, allowing token holders to receive high-yield dividends. Nexo Coin is the first dividend-paying asset token, according to Nexo.io, and has already paid more than 9 million dividends to Nexo holders over the last 3 years. According to Nexo reviews, the token provides some benefits to users, including a 12% interest rate for its native Nexo token, an 8% interest rate for ETH, BTC, XRP, LTC, BCH, BNB, EOS, XLM, LINK, and other cryptocurrencies. An 8% interest rate is also available. Nexo's quick crypto credit lines are eligible for an annual percentage rate of 5.9%, and it pays out 30% of its net earnings in dividends to token holders. In addition, the user can use a Nexo card to access the credit lines at any time and from any location. These cards can be ordered and managed using the Nexo Wallet software. This card allows the user to make local currency purchases without including any foreign exchange fees. Furthermore, any purchases made with this card are eligible for 2% instant cash back. Incredible, right? The user has the option of receiving incentives in either Bitcoins or Nexo tokens before completing a transaction. With a few simple clicks, users can leverage their crypto holdings to borrow more funds and grow their position in a given asset up to 3 times using the Nexo Booster. With no transaction limit, it provides a quick and easy way to carry out leveraged crypto purchases on the Nexo exchange with up to $250,000 per booster transaction. The Nexo boosters help save time by completing a borrow and exchange transaction all at once, eliminating the need for users to perform several manual steps. Also, borrow funds allow the community to borrow funds without having to sell their cryptocurrency. In contrast to a traditional loan that considers your credit score, Nexo offers crypto-backed credit lines where digital assets serve as collateral. Simply put, Nexo provides money or stablecoins, and users provide cryptocurrency as payment security. Now let's take a look at Nexo's collaborations and community as a whole. Nexo has collaborated with a number of vendors to provide a seller option for storing various crypto assets that is insured for up to $150 million under a specialized insurance policy. BitGo, the administrator, also offers cold storage wallets. Furthermore, BitGo provides insurance coverage worth $100 million through the insurer Lloyd's. This policy protects the user's digital assets and keys, which are stored in the BitGo wallet. The insurance covers insider theft, key loss, hacking, and the theft of private keys, among other things. Also, Nexo collaborated with Ledger to keep users' assets safe. Paxos, Brink, Nomics, Fireblocks, Securitize, Jumio, and a number of other strategic partners are also involved with this amazing platform. The analysis of Nexo's services revealed that the crypto lending company faces three types of competitors in the financial market. The first are traditional banks, which provide the banking services that Nexo provides. These banks, however, are not considered extreme threats due to their low interest rates and lack of adequate and efficient technology. The second category of institutions that may challenge Nexo's services includes neobanks, such as Revolut and Monzo, digital banks that are entirely online with no branches. Companies such as Celsius, Crypto.com, and BlockFi fall into the third category. However, because of Nexo's high dividend payout and interest rate, the last two categories of competitors have little or no effect as competitors. Having said all that we have talked about so far, it is only natural to want to be part of a platform that not only protects our crypto assets, but also lends us funds to help us grow our investments. This has got us wondering, how do we get started with Nexo? Well, getting started with Nexo is simple and straightforward. It all starts with logging in via the link in the video description below, signing up on the platform, and entering accurate and correct personal information into the system. An automated ID verification process will take only a few minutes to complete. Personal information required includes full name, address, and official identification documents. After creating your account, all that's left is for you to deposit your digital and crypto assets. It is important to note that while Nexo is a global bank, its products and services are not available in all jurisdictions. Bulgaria, the Central African Republic, Cuba, Estonia, Iran, the U.S. states of New York and Vermont, North Korea, and Syria are among the jurisdictions where Nexo does not operate. Finally, the concept of crypto financing is one of the most significant developments brought about by the widespread use and popularity of cryptocurrencies. I'll say this again. Nexo is widely regarded as the first cryptocurrency lending platform to provide instant cryptocurrency-backed loans. It is both safe and simple to use. However, it should be noted that this and other videos on this channel are solely intended to educate and enlighten the general public. They are not intended to be financial advice. Each person has a different taste for risk and should pursue it in accordance with that taste. It is also important to remember that any investment involves risk, so only invest what you can afford to lose. With Nexo providing user-centered services, financing, and high interest rates through a secure database, the crypto world has made another historic discovery similar to Revolut, but with far greater safety and insurance this time. As a result, it is reasonable to conclude that Nexo is the next Revolut in the cryptocurrency space. Do you think otherwise? Let us know in the comments section below. While you do so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification icon to get more innovative and intriguing videos like this. Until next time, do take care and stay safe.